With an automated future ahead of us, the workplace will require a different way of thinking with an emphasis on problem solving. Through mathematics as a vehicle, we can cultivate this skill in children from an early age. This is why S.A.M is an important aid to give your child an advancement. Our multi-award-winning program from Singapore helps children not only to excel in the subject, but also cultivates a love for it. S.A.M is unique in its concrete pictorial abstract approach, with the main focus on conceptual understanding before procedural working. Through S.A.M coaching methodology and our unique worksheets, students can master topics and move on to enrichment. The international content of S.A.M complements all school curriculums with the added bonus of problem-solving skills, a great foundation for any international secondary curriculum. Learners as young as 4 can benefit from S.A.M, the program's scaffolding to 12-year-olds.